Hi everyone, this is Kai from Tizaw. Today I will show you how to create a list in Google Keep on your Android mobile phone. Let's get started. Open Google Keep apps. Step 2, tap plus icon. Here press list icon. Then give your title. Such as example, I am creating one football club list. Football club list. List item name Real Madrid. Then second list item set now. Here second list item is Barcelona. Similar like this way you can add many more list item here. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more tips check out tizaw.com and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a question, drop them in the comment section. See you next time.